Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. This is not the very first time I cover this subject. I did it not too long ago in one of the most recent videos. And what is it exactly that I want to talk about? Well, you guys guessed it right. Of course, I'm talking about ChatGPT. Even though we're not getting paid to talk about ChatGPT, there is no affiliate link, no coupon code. In fact, this is how much we pay a month. It is $20 per month. This is the ChatGPT Plus. Let me show it to you here. ChatGPT 5.1. The reason why we decided to get it, because we create websites, we make thumbnails, fix logos, make logos from zero. So we do a lot of different things with this amazing tool. So this is one of the most recent projects. The customer sent me this image, and as you can see, there's a lot of details that need to be fixed, even the numbers. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a copy. I'm just going to do a right click on the mouse and then copy image. And then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to bring the image, paste, and then I'm going to tell it what to do. So basically, I want this to be exactly the same, except just to fix the lines and the numbers. All right, so this is what I typed in. Fix this logo, keep colors and information, but make lines sharper and fix numbers, make it high resolution. I'm gonna go ahead and send it, and it's gonna take a few minutes. So basically what the customer wants, he wants exactly this image and he wants just the stickers, even though we do not have a digital printer. But what I'm gonna offer him, I'm gonna get him online and I'm going to fix it for him, since we have this tool, so it will make it a lot easier. As you can see, it's taking some time. So I already have CorelDRAW open here, and I'm going to bring the original image so we can compare them. And I'm going to make a copy, go back to CorelDRAW and bring it up here, and then just move the image so we can place one next to each other. This is the original. And then let's go back to this one. Hopefully it's already fixed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on it and then I'm gonna make a copy and then just bring it. Maybe the colors are not gonna be exactly the same. If we have to fix it, we'll just add some details to it, but it looks very similar. So this could be another option. And in fact, we already did it earlier, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I did it earlier. I think it's even closer to this one. So this is what it created for me earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it and compare them next to each other. If then the one we did earlier looks a lot better than the one it just created, we may end up using that one. See, this is the one that it created for us earlier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one, and I just want to use the first one that it did for us. So as you can see, there's a huge difference. The numbers look a lot better, and now the lines are sharper. Guys, if you are liking this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember, if you would like to support us additionally, we have memberships available. All you have to do is just go to the join button to see all the options available. As always, thank you for your support. Here's another example. This customer also sent us the logo, but since we do not have a digital printer, what we offer, since he only wanted a few t-shirts, what we did, we actually give him an option. We made the logo a lot simpler, and we used that same tool. I'm gonna go back to it. I'm back at ChatGPT. This was the original logo, and this is what I typed in. Can you make this logo with just one color on white background? I want this image to be vinyl cutter friendly, and this is what it did for us. And as you can see, there's a few extra letters, which is not a big deal. I can get rid of those, no issues at all. And then this is what the ChatGPT gave us, all the information. I didn't even read it. I just made a copy of it, and then I brought it back to CorelDRAW, and you can see that it is very close. And what I did, I just did a bitmap, and I was able to get these. In the end, he said he wanted to get some embroidery, which we do not offer at the moment, but it saved me a lot of time. Now let's go back, and I'm going to show you another project that we did, which was, I'm going to go back to the top. This is the command that we sent. make a logo for a company that does Christmas light installation and do a simple logo, perfect for vinyl cutter, preferably black and white. This is the first sample that he sent us and the information. And then, okay, do also maybe like a Christmas tree or something and a Santa Claus. And this is what it did. And this is what we went for. And this is the sign that we made. And it only took a few minutes to get this image. All we had to do just bitmaps and add the information. And the customer was very happy with the results. All right, guys. So this is it for this quick video. Remember, I'm not saying you should go and spend your $20. The only reason I'm making this video is to share the knowledge, and whatever tools or knowledge we come across and we believe is worth talking about, we do it. You should still do your own research, get more information from different people, and if you think it's worth it, you should go for it. And thank you so much. We'll see you until the next one.